Marvel Refrigerator Model MO24BSSMRS Error Codes. Marvel MO24BSSMRS 24-inch mobile single-tap outdoor beer dispenser with half-barrel capacity. 2 Stow-on-Board Refrigerator-Convertible shelves. Standard door lock. 5 lb. Colorado 2, tank and low boy coupler. Right hinge. Error codes. Code E1. Problem: temperature sensor fault. If the controller detects that the temperature sensor is not properly functioning, a temperature sensor alarm will sound. E1 will flash on the display, and an alarm will sound. Code CL. Problem: condenser needs cleaning. When the refrigerator has reached the recommended amount of runtime for a condenser cleaning, CL will flash on the display as a reminder to clean the condenser.